Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs on the United Nations Organization. Before starting our video, let us learn a little about the United Nations. The United Nations Organization, commonly referred to as the United Nations, is an international organization founded in 1945 after World War II. The primary aim of the UN is to foster international cooperation and to create and maintain international order. The main purpose and objectives of the UNO are as follows. Number 1. Maintaining international peace and security. Number 2. Promoting sustainable development. Number 3. Protecting human rights. Number 4. Providing humanitarian aid. And number 5. Upholding international law. The main organs of the UNO are as follows. Number 1. General Assembly. The deliberative body where all member states have equal representation is the General Assembly. It discusses and makes decisions on a wide range of issues. Number 2. Security Council. It is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. It has 15 members including 5 permanent members: China, France, Russia, the United Kingdom and the United States with veto power. Number 3. Economic and Social Council. It promotes international economic and social cooperation and development. Number 4. International Court of Justice or the ICJ. It settles legal disputes between states and gives advisory opinions on international legal issues. Number 5. Secretariat. It carries out the day-to-day work of the UN headed by the Secretary General. Number 6. Trusteeship Council. It is established to oversee the administration of trust territories as they transition to self-government. It has suspended operations since the last trust territory gained independence in 1994. The specialized agencies and programs of the UN are as follows. Number 1. UNICEF. It focuses on children's rights, survival, development and protection. Number 2. WHO or the World Health Organization. It directs international health efforts and coordinates responses to the health emergencies. Number 3. UNESCO. It promotes education, science, culture and communication. Number 4. UNDP or the United Nations Development Programme. It works on poverty reduction, HIV, AIDS, democratic governance, energy and environment and social development. Number 5. UNHCR or the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. It protects and supports refugees and displaced people worldwide. Now let us begin with the MCQs. The first question is, when was the United Nations officially established? Option A 1943. Option B 1945. Option C 1947 or option D 1950. The correct answer is option B 1945. Moving to the next question. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Option A Geneva, Switzerland. Option B Vienna, Austria. Option C New York City, USA. Or option D Paris, France. The correct answer is option C New York City, USA. Moving to the next question. How many original member countries did the United Nations have? Option A 45. Option B 51. Option C 60. And option D 75. The correct answer is option B 51. Moving to the next question. Which organ of the United Nations is primarily responsible for maintaining international peace and security? Option A the General Assembly. Option B the International Court of Justice. Option C the Economic and Social Council. Or option D the Security Council. The correct answer is option D the Security Council. Moving to the next question. Which country is not a permanent member of the UN Security Council? Option A China. Option B France. Option C Germany. Or option D Russia. The correct answer is option C Germany. Moving to the next question. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? Option A Trygve Lie. Option B, Dag Hammarskjöld. Option C, Youth Hand. Or option D, Kurt Waldheim. The correct answer is option A, Trygve Lie. Moving to the next question. Which UN body is responsible for electing the non-permanent members of the Security Council? Option A, the General Assembly. Option B, the Security Council. Option C, the Economic and Social Council. Or option D, the Trusteeship Council. The correct answer is option A, the General Assembly. Moving to the next question. How many non-permanent members are there in the UN Security Council? Option A, 5. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Or option D, 20. The correct answer is option B, 10. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a principal organ of the United Nations? Option A, the General Assembly. Option B, the Security Council. Option C, the International Monetary Fund. Or option D, the International Court of Justice. The correct answer is option C, the International Monetary Fund. Moving to the next question. What is the term length for a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council? Option A, 1 year. Option B, 2 years. Option C, 3 years. Or option D, 5 years. The correct answer is option B, 2 years. Moving to the next question. Which agency of the United Nations is focused on international public health? Option A, UNESCO. Option B, UNICEF. Option C, WHO. Or option D, FAO. The correct answer is option C, WHO. Moving to the next question. Which of the following country is not a member of the United Nations? Option A, Vatican City. Option B, Israel. Option C, Switzerland. Or option D, South Sudan. The correct answer is option A, Vatican City. Moving to the next question. In which year did the UN adopt the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Option A, 1945. Option B, 1948. Option C, 1950. Or option D, 1960. The correct answer is option B, 1948. Moving to the next question. Which UN body deals with international economic and social issues? Option A, the Security Council. Option B, the General Assembly. Option C, the Economic and Social Council. Or option D, the Trusteeship Council. The correct answer is option C, the Economic and Social Council. Moving to the next question. Which country was the last to join the United Nations, becoming its 193rd member? Option A, Montenegro. Option B, South Sudan. Option C, East Timor. Or option D, Kosovo. The correct answer is option B, South Sudan. Moving to the next question. Which UN organ is responsible for reviewing and approving the budget of the organization? Option A, the Security Council. Option B, the Economic and Social Council. Option C, the General Assembly. Or option D, the Secretariat. The correct answer is option C, the General Assembly. Moving to the next question. What does UNICEF stand for? Option A, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Option B, United Nations International Child Education Fund. Option C, United Nations Institute for Children and Education Foundation. Or option D, United Nations Children's Fund. The correct answer is option A, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Moving to the next question. How many official languages are used in the United Nations? Option A 4. Option B 5. Option C 6. Or option D 7. The correct answer is option C 6. Moving to the next question. Which country is not a member of the United Nations Security Council? Option A, the United States. Option B, United Kingdom. Option C, Japan. Or option D, China. The correct answer is option C, Japan. Moving to the next question. Where is the International Court of Justice located? Option A, New York, USA. Option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Option C, Geneva, Switzerland. Or option D, Vienna, Austria. The correct answer is option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Moving to the next question. Which UN body is tasked with promoting human rights around the world? Option A, the Security Council. Option B, the General Assembly. Option C, the Economic and Social Council. Or option D, the Human Rights Council. The correct answer is option D, the Human Rights Council. Moving to the next question. Which event led to the creation of the United Nations? Option A, the Great Depression. Option B, World War I. Option C, World War II. Or option D, the Cold War. The correct answer is option C, World War II. Moving to the next question. How many times has the UN Security Council's composition been changed? Option A, once. Option B, twice. Option C, 3 times. Or option D, never. The correct answer is option A, once. Moving to the next question. Which document outlines the purposes and principles of the United Nations? Option A, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Option B, the UN Charter. Option C, the Geneva Conventions. Or option D, the Paris Agreement. The correct answer is option B, the UN Charter. Move to the next question. Which of these is not one of the 6 principal organs of the UN? Option A, General Assembly. Option B, Security Council. Option C, World Health Organization. Or option D, International Court of Justice. The correct answer is option C, World Health Organization. Moving to the next question. What is the main focus of the United Nations Development Programme? Option A, peacekeeping. Option B, human development. Option C, child welfare. Or option D, environmental protection. The correct answer is option B, human development. Moving to the next question. When did South Sudan join the United Nations? Option A, 2008. Option B, 2010. Option C, 2011. Or option D, 2013. The correct answer is option C, 2011. Moving to the next question. Which body is known as the Parliament of Nations in the UN structure? Option A, the General Assembly. Option B, the Security Council. Option C, the Economic and Social Council. Or option D, the International Court of Justice. The correct answer is option A, the General Assembly. Moving to the next question. Which UN organization won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1965? Option A, UNICEF. Option B, WHO. Option C, UNHCR. Or option D, FAO. The correct answer is option A, UNICEF. Moving to the next question. What does FAO stand for? Option A, Food and Agriculture Organization. Option B, Finance and Audit Organization. Option C, Federal Agriculture Office. Or option D, Food Assistance Office. The correct answer is option A, Food and Agriculture Organization. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is the main deliberative body of the United Nations? Option A, the General Assembly. Option B, the Security Council. Option C, the International Court of Justice. Or option D, the Trusteeship Council. The correct answer is option A, the General Assembly. Moving to the next question. Which country has the veto power in the UN Security Council? Option A, India. Option B, Brazil. Option C, Germany. Or option D, China. The correct answer is option D, China. Moving to the next question. Which UN Secretary General served the longest term? Option A, Trygve Lie. Option B, Dag Hammarskjöld. Option C, U Thant. Or option D, Javier Pérez de Cuéllar. The correct answer is option C, U Thant. Moving to the next question. Which UN agency is concerned with labor issues? Option A, WHO. Option B, UNESCO. Option C, ILO. Or option D, FAO. The correct answer is option C, ILO. Moving to the next question. Which body of the United Nations has all member states represented? Option A, the Security Council. Option B, the General Assembly. Option C, the Economic and Social Council. Or option D, the Secretariat. The correct answer is option B, the General Assembly. Moving to the next question. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations? Option A, Ban Ki-moon. Option B, Antonio Guterres. Option C, Kofi Annan. Or option D, Javier Pérez de Cuéllar. The correct answer is option B, Antonio Guterres. Moving to the next question. What is the main role of the United Nations Secretariat? Option A, Peacekeeping. Option B, Administration and Management. Option C, Judicial Function. Or option D, Economic Development. The correct answer is option B, Administration and Management. How often does the UN General Assembly meet in regular sessions? Option A, monthly. Option B, biannually. Option C, annually. Or option D, every 2 years. The correct answer is option C, annually. Moving to the next question. Which principle is the basis for the UN work in maintaining international peace and security? Option A, sovereign equality of states. Option B, military intervention. Option C, economic sanction. Or option D, diplomatic negotiation. The correct answer is option A, sovereign equality of states. Moving to the next question. Which of the following country was not a founding member of the United Nations? Option A, India. Option B, Australia. Option C, Canada. Or option D, Switzerland. The correct answer is option D, Switzerland. Moving to the next question. Which UN program is specifically focused on fighting hunger? Option A, UNICEF. Option B, WFP. Option C, UNHCR. Or option D, WHO. The correct answer is option B, WFP. Moving to the next question. Which event is celebrated as United Nations Day? Option A, June 26. Option B, October 24. Option C, December 10. Or option D, January 1. The correct answer is option B, October 24. Moving to the next question. What is the primary function of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees? Option A, protecting and supporting refugees. Option B, promoting human rights. Option C, facilitating international trade. Or option D, administering development aid. The correct answer is option A, protecting and supporting refugees. Moving to the next question. Which UN organ can authorize the use of force to maintain or restore international peace and security? Option A, the General Assembly. Option B, the Security Council. Option C, the International Court of Justice. Or option D, the Secretariat. The correct answer is option B, the Security Council. Moving to the next question. Which body within the United Nations is responsible for administering trust territories? Option A, the Security Council. Option B, the Trusteeship Council. Option C, the General Assembly. Or option D, the Economic and Social Council. The correct answer is option B, the Trusteeship Council. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like it, don't forget to comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library. Welcome.